Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful bright pink. It was supposed to be a Valentine's Day tutorial, but I didn't get around to editing my video in time, so here we are. Alright, first I'm going to start out with the Huda Beauty, and this is a very light pink. I believe this, I can't remember the shade. Hold on, I have it right here. So this is Filthy, and I'm just gonna add that as my transition shade. I'm gonna add that on the outer corner and then slowly move it in to the inner corner. This is the newest palette from Huda Beauty that I got in November when it came out. And it's a beautiful palette, and I was planning on using this palette, but I wanted something bright red. And this palette is more of a burgundy pink palette. So I'm going in with the Norvina palette, and I am using the shade D3. This shade looks bright red. I mean bright red in person, but then when I added it on my lid, it just looks like a bright pink, and I wanted something red, but I mean it worked out. I don't know how I feel about this palette, but you know what? It worked out. It was fine. And now I'm just using a piece of napkin to create more of a wing look, so it's more precise. You can use tape, but I had already done my makeup and I didn't want to ruin it by using tape, so I just added a piece of paper and continue with blending the shade. And now with a clean, fluffy brush, I'm using the Eco Tools eyeshadow brush, and I'm going in with Filthy again to blend those colors together. I love this brush for this reason. I can just go ahead and blend everything and buff everything out to make sure there aren't any harsh lines. And with my finger, I'm going back with the Norvina palette. I'm using the C3, and this is a shimmery pink shade. I'm gonna add that all over the lid. If you guys know me, or if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I can't do a look without adding some kind of shimmer. So this is what I'm adding to the lid. I do really like the shimmers on this palette. They are super creamy, super silky, and right now I'm using the A1. This is a pretty light pink, almost lavender, and I'm gonna add that all over the inner corner just for a pop of highlight. And now I'm gonna spray it with the Fix Plus by MAC, and I'm gonna add more to really bring that out. And for the lower lash, I'm gonna grab a flat brush, and I'm going in with the shade A5. This is a super bright pink. Honestly, it looks the same as the first one that I used. I don't see a difference. They both look really pink. This is a brush that comes with all the Naked Urban Decay palettes, and I'm just using the smaller side to buff everything out on the lower lash. And I'm adding some NYX loose glitter in the color Beauty Beam, and I'm applying The glitter glue, this glitter glue is amazing. I've used it for so many years. It really makes your glitter stick to wherever you want it, and it's not difficult to remove. So I didn't think this look was glittery enough, so I went ahead and added some glitter right on the center of the lid to make it pop even more. Obviously this is optional. You definitely don't have to, you can just leave it as is. Moving on to eyelashes, I first will curl them and then add mascara. And for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I've used this for so many years. I repurchased this so many times. It's actually a pretty good mascara. I like the wand because it's so small and it really lifts your eyelashes all the way up. I decided to go in with a black eyeliner, and I'm using the Fixie Endless Silky Eye Pen. This pencil is very silky, very smooth, and it will last all day. Highly recommended. And for a wing eyeliner, I'm using the Galactic eye pencil. I'm not that great at a wing eyeliner, so this one was a little bit difficult, especially because this one was dry a little bit, so it didn't glide on as smoothly, so I struggle with that a little. For eyelashes, these eyelashes I got from TJ Maxx. I think they are from the brand Kayla. I believe that's how you pronounce it, or Kala. I'm not really sure. I love the shape of these eyelashes. I think they look beautiful. However, they do have a plasticky feel. Like if you go outside and the sun hits it, you can definitely see the shine because they are pretty plasticky. Also, if you're a beginner, these eyelashes are not for you because they do feel heavy on the eye. And now I'm just adding some bottom lash mascara, and we're almost done with the video. Alright guys, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!